Hello teacher, good afternoon. I'm Ariskell and I'm talk about the Principle YAGNI, the Parkinson law and Hofstadter law. First one, I'm talk about the Principle YAGNI. That means you aren't gonna need it. So it's when you add a requirement that or affection it's not necessary or crucial, vital, I don't know, for the project. For example, you are making an application for a cafeteria for the customers can see the menu and order, and you add a function that for the reservations and when the cafeteria don't need it yet is it that principle tells about it and how to avoid functions that are principle in that moment that the customer tells you that they want and no assume that not anything and well keep only the actual requirements. Now the Parkinson law tells about the work extends until it occupies all the time available to complete the task or the work. It's when a simple homework that you need 2 hours extends 2 weeks if you have the time to complete it. For example, a presentation that you need only 2 days to make it. If you have 2 weeks or 2 months, you you wait or extend the time or the task. You did a little part of the work and then you did a little part of the work and you don't finish if you don't have the deadline soon. How to avoid define short deadlines and realistic and divide the work in little tasks and can you complete in less time, and it's easier for the brain to feel motivated to do little task and know all the work in one time. And then the Hofstadter law tells about the this law affirms that every word takes more time than you think, even when you think about problems or about setbacks. For example, you maybe think that a function to resolve a function takes you 2 hours or I don't know what time. Mm, we say 2 hours, thinking that the problem is hard, but while you investigated and testing the problem for resolve it all, maybe you can need 5 hours and no 2 hours. And how to avoid be based on past experience and estimate more time that you if I think the problem is hard and I think yeah I maybe did the work in 1 hour but I estimate 2 hours for some setbacks, but in the past I did the work and it takes 2 hours and a half. I prepared my time, and I reserved maybe 3 hours, and that's it. The three laws that I choose. Thank you.